So Cardiff and Vale University Health Board's new video consultation service enables patients to attend their hospital appointment via a secure, confidential video link. The new service means that patients can attend their appointment from the comfort of their own home or a private space in work, avoiding the need to arrange childcare, take annual leave, or rearrange their day around travelling to our sites. What's more, through reducing the number of people travelling to our sites, the service is having a significant positive local environmental benefit and contributing to improved traffic and parking in and around our hospitals.
The video service is really simple to use. Your appointment letter will include details of how you can access your video appointment, including a link to your virtual waiting room, and we'll also send you a text reminder prior to your appointment. You just need to tap or click onto the link to enter the virtual waiting room. We'll see when you arrive and let you into the consultation room for your appointment. You'll see your usual clinician face to face, and your appointment will be fully confidential, just like if you're attending it in person.
Some people can find coming into hospital to be a daunting experience, which might particularly be the case for some during COVID-19 pandemic. The new video consultation service is helping to alleviate that stress and anxiety for some patients, and is also enabling us to implement social distancing by reducing the number of people on site. The video is great quality, so even though patients don't have to come into their appointment, it feels like they're in the room with us anyway. We've had great feedback too to the service from our patients.
So the video consultation service is being used throughout the NHS in Wales and is fully secure, having met pretty rigorous security standards. The service is free to use, but we recommend that patients check their Wi-Fi or mobile data allowance ahead of their appointment, and also make sure that their computer, laptop, smartphone or tablet device is set up correctly for the call. To find out more about the video consultation service, including information on how to make sure your setup is ready for your appointment, please visit our website.